always been fascinated by the power of communicating an idea in creative ways. An idea, if it is communicated in the right way, has the power to shift a perspective, to transform, to help somebody grow, to develop, to educate. This is the same fascination of mine actually led me to a professional training in counseling psychology. But apart from that also, I have been just learning and just being interested in other disciplines which utilize the same principle of communicating an idea, be it literature, good stories, cinema, visual design, a well-written book, coaching, education. As the head of instructional design in IGNOU Learning, I get the opportunity to utilize the same power and create structured experiences in the form of teaching methods and teaching delivery activities, which really has the power to promote clarity and flow as well as resonate with people. So I, along with the team of instructional designers come faculty in various subjects, we conceptualize video lectures as well as we create different supplementary resources to really simplify complex concept into simpler terms, as well as how to make a topic more relatable, more practically relevant. And what I think I like best about this role is that behind actually all the roles here at IGNOU Learning, what we all believe is really empowering people who have a dream to live a life of quality and dignity. Irrespective of their age or what their past experiences in education have been, or whatever present family commitments or job commitments or other things they might be having. If anyone has the desire to upgrade themselves and to reach their full potential and live a life which gives them what they desire for, we at IGNOU Learning create the supportive experiences to help them reach that goal. And in that, I think it is something very powerful and something which deeply is valuable to me as a person as well. Because in an age where we already have a lot of barriers of religion, barriers of caste, class, age, other systemic, social and cultural barriers, here we are empowering people to really go behind their dreams and help them believe in themselves and achieve it. And I think the best part is when we do receive feedback from learners that something has helped them, it has helped them dream bigger, it has given them more clarity, it has inspired them. I think that is what makes it all worthwhile.